Hello little friends, I am Miss Willow and today we are going to learn how to write the alphabet. Take your note and pen, let's go!
I am letter A. Write me now.
Left slanted line, right slanted line, last horizontal line. Say A 5 times and write A, 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 A.
I am letter B. Write me now.
Straight line, right curved line, last right curved line. Say B 5 times and write B, 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 B.
I am letter C. Write me now.
Right curved line. Say C 5 times and write C, 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 C.
I am letter D. Write me now.
Straight line, last right curved line. Say D 5 times and write D, 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 D.
I am letter E. Write me now.
Straight line, 3 short lines, one at the top, one in the middle and one at the bottom, all to the right. Say E 5 times and write E, 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 E.
I am the letter F. Write me now.
Straight line, 2 short lines, one at the top and one in the middle to the right. Say F 5 times and write F, 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 F.
I am letter G. Write me now.
Start with a big C shape. Add a short line in the middle on the right side. Say G 5 times and write G, 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 G.
I am letter H. Write me now.
Straight line down. First, connect middle with a short line. Say H 5 times and write H, 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 H.
I am letter I. Write me now.
One straight line. Say I 5 times and write I, 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 I.
I am letter J. Write me now.
Straight line down, curve it like a hook at the bottom. Last, add a short line at the top. Say J 5 times and write J, 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 J.
I am letter K. Write me now.
Straight line, slanted line from the middle, one up to the right and one down to the right. Say K 5 times and write K, 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 K.
I am letter L. Write me now.
Straight line, last short line to the right at the bottom. Say L 5 times and write L, 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 L.
I am letter M. Write me now.
2 straight lines, connect them at the top with a point like a mountain. Say M 5 times and write M, 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 M.
I am letter N. Write me now.
2 straight lines, connect the top of the first line to the bottom of the second line with a diagonal line. Say N 5 times and write N, 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 N.
I am letter O. Write me now.
Circle. Say O 5 times and write O, 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 O.
I am letter P. Write me now.
Straight line, last right curved line. Say P 5 times and write P, 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 P.
I am letter Q. Write me now.
big circle, small slanted line at the bottom right of the circle. Say Q 5 times and write Q, 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 Q.
I'm letter R. Write me now.
Straight line, draw P, add a slanted line down from the middle. Say R 5 times and write R, 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 R.
I'm letter S. Write me now.
Curvy line like a snake. Say yes 5 times and write yes, 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 yes.
I'm letter T. Write me now.
Straight line, short line at the top. Say T 5 times and write T, 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 T.
I'm letter U. Write me now.
Curve like a bucket, open at the top. Say U 5 times and write U, 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 U.
I'm letter V. Write me now.
Two slanted lines down that meet at the bottom. Say V 5 times and write V, 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 V.
I'm letter W. Write me now.
Two slanted lines down that meet at the bottom and then two slanted lines back up like two V's stuck together. Say W 5 times and write W, 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 W.
I'm letter X. Write me now.
Two slanted lines that cross in the middle. Say X 5 times and write X, 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 X.
I'm letter Y. Write me now.
Two slanted lines that meet at the top and then a straight line down from the middle. Say Y 5 times and write Y, 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 Y.
I'm letter Z. Write me now.
Straight line across the top, a diagonal line down to the right. Last, a straight line across the bottom. Say jet 5 times and write jet, 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 jet. Wow, you done amazing today. You will know how to write the alphabet. Don't forget friends, writing is fun and practice makes perfect. See you next time. Bye.